This is an instructional video brought to you by UCSB's Green Campus program, familiarizing you with the iPAN energy-saving power strip.
Each unit includes the power strip and an attached motion sensor. On the power strip is a master plug along with 4 energy saver plugs and an always-on plug for devices that need to stay on all the time.
The CPU is plugged into the always-on outlet for continuous power, and the computer monitor is plugged into the control outlet. Peripheral equipment such as lamps, speakers, fans, and printers can be plugged into the energy saver outlets and will power down automatically when the monitor is switched off. When the monitor is switched back on, power is restored to each of the peripheral devices.
If the workspace is unoccupied for 30 minutes, power to the peripheral devices and monitor is shut off. When the occupancy sensor detects motion in the workspace, power is restored. At workstations with multiple peripheral devices, each power strip saves an average of 250 kilowatt hours per year. Collectively, these iPAN smart power strips will result in an estimated energy savings in excess of $100,000 annually for our campus, as well as reduce UCSB's carbon footprint by over 500 tons per year.